So I thought today that we would play around more with the oil pastel resist. So I've got some neutral pastels here. I'm going to start with the white, and then I might add these in before we put watercolor down, but we're definitely going to start with the white. And I made a boo-boo, so there's some green already in there. So I guess we're going to play with green. So let's just start making some marks through here. Kind of want to bring these marks down through here. And then I want some marks going through here. Really liked how this resist played with watercolors. I'm gonna go a little stronger up here in the sky even. I usually don't put them in the sky, but let's see how that works. And then we'll just make some more marks. Let's do some thinner lines with our paper, deli paper, and our stylus. It's crazy because I can't even see what I'm doing. That's kind of the fun part, I think. It's like, what's going to come up? How's it going to look? The hard part is not getting carried away, I think, which I might have. Okay. Let's start off with a light wash of the Payne's Gray. Get some more, a little darker in here. I put a lot of resist up there. That's okay. I think it's going to turn out fun. Okay. I think I want to do I like how it's beating up. I think that's really cool. Let's do a little bit of cerulean as well. Maybe got too much resist up there. I don't know. We'll see. Let's come in with a clean tissue here. Make some dabs. Yeah, I think I got too much resist up there. I'm gonna go a little stronger with the Payne's Gray on this one side. Cerulean. It's a little drama through here. Be good. I'm gonna come in with a layer of the brown from the Desert Schminke set through here. Ooh, that's fun. That's fun. Okay, I really hate that. Like, that's really terrible. Ooh, but these marks are really fun. A little bit more of that color through here. I know it's hard to see right now, but I think once we get going, it's going to be incredibly fabulous. Let's do some brush marks up here. Oh, look at that resist. I love it. Okay, let's come in with a little bit more of that brown. I kind of like, let's do another layer right through here. Okay, I got a mixture of the Cherry Pit Black and the brown. I just kind of going to bring that through there. Actually, I want this foreground to be a little darker. So let's get more of that. The Cherry Pit is almost like a sepia. It's not as blue as the rapeseed that we were working with yesterday. I like these vertical lines. Let's come in with the orange from Schmincke and the brown mixed together here. Add another layer through there, and maybe I want a little bit more. Let's do a little bit more through here. I like that, but maybe it needs more over here. Okay, let's put some green through here so maybe I can get rid of, make this make sense. I need to resolve this. We're going to put more watercolor over it, but I'm kind of interested to see like how this plays out. How it, I mean, obviously it's going to resist some. Okay, that makes more sense to me. Yay. I was a little worried. Not too worried, just a little worried. So we'll leave that there. Okay, so I think I'm going to add some of the Schmincke green through here. I really want to preserve this area because I think that's really cool. But I just want to add in some darker marks. And now that doesn't look so blatantly in the middle of the paper. I was gonna tear it off, and then I was like, you know what? You can work around it because I don't want to waste paper. Not who we are. We're not paper wasters. Okay. I'm liking that. I wish more of that red were coming through. Maybe it needs more water. I think that's what it needed, more water. Drop it in. Oh, there we go. There's a little bit more red. This is such a fun color. Like, I just absolutely love it. I think I'm just gonna sort of bring it down a little bit through here. Because like I said, I want to keep this texture over here as much as I can. If you put the watercolor over it, it might not show up. So let's just kind of like these little marks we can make with the side of the color shaper. Sort of craggly marks in there. Okay, so I'm going to bring a little bit of the aquapasto through here just to start. I'm going to bring it over all the way. And just a little bit through here. And maybe just bring it through here a little bit. Some thicker marks through here. Okay, so I'm going to add some of the Wooston brown or the desert brown up here. One thing I have noticed about the aquapasto is that when you mix it with the, when you mix aquapasto with these Schmincke granulating colors, you lose all of the granulation qualities. So that's something to think about. Like it thickens it so much that it doesn't granulate anymore that I can tell. I just want this to come through here. Maybe in lines like that. Maybe we need to bring it down. Get more on the end here. Do it like that. We might need a little bit of this color through here, maybe too. Just to kind of bring it in a little bit so it's not just in one spot. Oh, don't go too far. Okay. Okay, I need to figure out this part because I was gonna leave it and then it just didn't work. It's like, why is there a white space there? It didn't make any sense. Like just through here. Oh yeah. We just need some more contrast. I'm not going to use any ink today. That was a fun little play, but I'm not feeling the ink today. But I am feeling black. Black is where it's at. Let's come in a bit with a palette knife. Scrape back in. Give us the feeling that that is behind everything we just did. Make it a little bit more broken up. Okay. Okay, I'm going to come through here with just a little bit of a brown with the umber. I feel like it just needed another color through there. I was looking a little too stark for my taste. Okay, I've laid down a bit of my 3M tape here. And I'm just gonna, I think what I want to do is that if I make these lines, these grassy lines have more purpose here and more, if they make a shape of the green, I think it might be better. Or it could be worse. We're gonna find out. Okay, so we're gonna come in with, I know I'm putting more lines on. This is a brown pastel. That's a lot of lines, I know. So I'm just gonna add a skosh of black through here. What if we brought it up a little bit more? We made this more dark. Okay, that seems to be a thing. Okay, that's better. Should we add more? Somebody needs to tell me when to stop. I think I'm gonna stop there. I think it's doing what I want it to do as she adds more paint. What if we did more? I'm just trying to get a formation here of something. Okay, I don't hate that anymore. I feel like it makes a little bit more sense to me. Let's do a black mark here with our watercolor pencil. I feel like we neglected half the painting the whole time. What I kind of want. want to do that. And I kind of want to bring this through here. So I think I'm done making marks. I think I'm done. Let me take this off the pad and we'll look at it with the mat. Okay, here it is with the mat. I really like it. I really like it. I wasn't sure about the green, and the green was not intentional. The green was just because there was a green splotch on it and I had to fill it up with something. But I think it kind of works. I love the sky. I like the resist marks in the sky too. I think those are kind of fun. And I love these bolder white chunky marks in the background. Like I really like those. I like the little thin marks we got going here, but I kind of like how they're very gestural and add something to the piece. I'm not quite sure. I really do like the chunkier white pieces. I like the black. I like the schminke green. Desert green is really nice. And I like the pastel resist. I think it's an interesting thing to play with. I think only the white, though. I don't think the other colors really worked for me. But I do, the more I look at that green, the more I don't hate it. But I love it in the sky. I think that's really kind of a cool way to use it because we've got these really fun, and it's already dry, you can tell. They look like they're on top when really they're below, so that's kind of a neat feeling. So we're definitely going to use that more. And this is just another of sort of Flint Hills kind of pieces. So let me know your thoughts in the comments. Click over here to see yesterday's video, and I will see you tomorrow for another one. And we'll do another, I think we'll play more with this sort of resist technique and see where we can take it. Maybe it needs to be more, less, I'm not sure. But I do like how gestural it makes it feel. Okay, thanks for watching.